Hi everyone, it's Danielle from Rosetta Vera. I'm here today with an unboxing from Sweet Waffle Farm. Um, this subscription service is a wax melts subscription service. So let me tell you a little bit about Sweet Waffle Farm before we get started. So Sweet Waffle Farm is a bath boutique located in South Carolina. They have their own website plus the Etsy shop, and I'll put those links below. But they sell a variety of bath and body products such as lotions and creams, soap, and also candles and wax melts. So that's what this is here. I got my monthly subscription from Cratejoy. And basically what you get in the set is 2 clamshells of 2 different scents every month. There'll be 6 pieces to each clamshell, and you'll usually get seasonal scents, and they're hand poured. So let me open the box. So I cut the tape just to save us some time. So as I mentioned, Sweet Waffle Farm, Sweet Valley, oh my God, I'm showing my age. Sweet Waffle Farm is a bath boutique, and that's their contact information. Hopefully you guys can see that. And then inside the box, you get 2 seasonal scents. So I ordered these during a special on Cratejoy, but normally the price of the subscription can be as low as $8 a month if you do multiple months. I just did 1 month for now, but I think I am going to let it renew next month. So if you were doing just 1 month, it's $12. So here you have chocolate raspberry drizzle. And for you, those of you who are kind of new to wax melts, I like to burn candles and wax melts. Partially, I like wax melts because then I don't have to worry about whether or not I left the candle lit somewhere, because I have done that. This is chocolate raspberry drizzle. As I said, you get 6 cubes. I normally burn 2 at a time. So you take these wax melts and you put them in a wax warmer. I have 2. You can get them relatively cheap. I have both of mine are from Walmart. And this is garden mint. This one, there's a heavy scent of chocolate. I don't smell the raspberry at first, but maybe as you burn it, you will. And this is garden mint. And this one was cracked in transit, but that's okay. It doesn't mess up the burn. And definitely you're getting that mint. I can smell it from a distance that mint is heavy. It smells a little bit like Wrigley's double mint gum. That's what it's reminding me of. And again, you get 6 cubes. So I'm going to try these out. I like to burn, or warm, I keep saying burn, warm my wax melts like when I'm cleaning my bedroom or cleaning up the living room, kind of just to, you know, have a scent going while I'm cleaning up. I also sometimes like to melt my wax melts when I'm working from home, which is all the time now. So I like them. They're kind of relaxing. I like to try different scents here and there, and that's why I signed up for the subscription. Again, I'm going to try this 1 more month and see what comes in the mail. I did look at Sweet Waffle Farm's regular website, which is sweetwafflefarm.com, and I didn't see the subscription service there. I didn't look at their Etsy shop, but you can definitely sign up for their subscription service at cratejoy.com. So I'm going to put their .com, their Etsy shop, and also the Cratejoy link. They also have 2 other subscription services on Cratejoy. One is for shampoo bars, and the other one is for handmade soap. So that's also an option if you're not into wax melts. So that's all I have for you guys today. As always, be sure to like and subscribe. If you like to see me do other unboxings like this of wax melts or try some other companies, let me know. I think I do have one other one coming up. But that's it for today. Thanks.